If you find yourself being overwhelmed from the amount of tasks that you are trying to accomplish, it's absolutely fine, because all of us have a limited amount of energy for the day. So, our future will be determined by how we manage our energy today. And so, how do I manage my energy? Well, let's discuss this.
Basically, this technology helps you to prioritize most important things that will lead you to your goals during the day, so that you can clearly see where your energy goes and what are your real priorities, rather than thinking then, oh yeah, I will study 2 years and then like work and I'm successful. Yeah, you just write the steps and it's absolutely clear what your life is going to be like in a period of a couple of years from this table, and it's just amazing. So let's get started from the first one. It's a bucket list. So it's basically a wish list when you put everything you want to accomplish or just to feel during maybe a couple of years. So it's not really reasonable to make wishes like for 10 years, for 20 years. We just don't know what will happen to our mind, to our intelligence, to our lives. So it's just I don't think it's appropriate here. So you just write what you want to do during the couple of years, or maybe I would say I wrote this within 5 years. I will do this most likely. So here we have like guitar, and it is, as you can see, a skill, so you can really play with this and just do this however you want. So it's like windsurfing skill, and basically it's 3 times in this wish list, which is skill, something you need to learn, and then you can say, oh yeah, good, sweet, I can learn it, so I can do this now, yeah. And a trip, which is more about enjoyment and like basically to enjoy your life, and yeah, not to be bored of mediocrity. And the event, it is basically one time event, which is most likely, as I wrote this, will or perhaps can change your life. And the second column, which is habit list, so basically you write down all the stuff that you want to make habits from, and it's not that time consuming as active investments that we will basically go to it in 1 minute. So it's not that just time consuming, it's in a period of 1 hour maximum. So, and here we have like ice baths every morning, meditation in English, Japanese, and YouTube video per week. But you can say, wow, it's not an hour, but if I every day record a video for an hour, it is 7 hours, so it's just within the range, so it's fine. Well, here we have 2 options also, but basically options are habit and skill. As you can see here, skill is again what you want to learn for a period of time, so that you can say, yeah, I know this, wow, now I know this. And habit is just what you want to do, and it is very important to write stuff that it's hard to work on. So I read every day for an hour, and it's not hard thing to read for me. It's more likely to be hard to not to read. So write the stuff that really bother you doing and that you want to do regularly. Next up, we have active investments, and it is the most essential part of energy investments because it shows clearly what your most energy is wasted on, so or you want to waste on. So it's really 2 different terms, but I will explain it in a minute. In this column, you just write down everything you spend more like than 2, 3, 4 hours a day, and really mentally tough events. So YouTube channel is my like first one, priority active investments, because I really spend more than an hour per day on my YouTube channel, so don't worry. And body calisthenics plus eating is basically takes me maybe an hour for the day, yes, but it's really mentally and energy consuming, because I really need to work on this to make myself doing calisthenics or eating. So yeah, and the British education is just the one that I really spend much time on, and the reason why I didn't include my Ukrainian school is that I don't really bother doing it more than an hour, because it's really easy and like fun stuff for me to do, so that I don't really use a lot of energy on this, because it's basically not that hard and I'm used to it, so I don't put it there because it's kind of obvious to me. And the first column we have tasks list, which is green, and it associates with the goals as for me. So goals is really an essential part of your energy investments, because it is what gives you energy and basically your energy based level. So it is absolutely connected to your active investments. So YouTube channel, 10k subscribers, eat healthy body, 2 school diplomas is British education and Ukrainian also. But what's the point of doing this? Well, it gives you energy and understanding of why are you actively investing your energy into those, or like whatever kind of project you are working on. And basically that's it. It's just the light that will glow up your path, so that you don't accidentally walk to something really strange and awkward, and probably will make a video only about this topic of not being distracted and about goals. So as you can see, I have here a page with my goals, and it is really an essential part of my life, I think, now. So anyways, let's get to the fifth one, and the fifth one column is basically an archive. So it is you just grab from the tasks list and from your goals, yes, that you can have accomplished, and basically you can have an understanding and clearly see what you've done basically for this period. And what I strongly and highly recommend you to do, first of all, is to write everything here of your real routine, and it is most likely going to look like a trash. So it's absolutely fine. I had the same, and it is like basically two parts of this technology. First part, you write everything about your current situation, and from that you are step by step going to replace each like John TikTok active investments to some more useful, or just stay it like this, and you will understand why you don't lack energy, and probably most likely to get rid of that habit. So that's it. It's just awesome and amazing. And about the second part of it, I would say it is your dream energy investments rather than what you do, because I actively invest in kind of family events, and like animes is a part of my life when I spend a couple of hours, but I don't really write it down, because I'm trying to get rid of this, so that I don't really see it that much, and it definitely helps. So I can see here, oh yeah, anime is not in my priorities list and not in my active investments and habits, so why am I bothering watching it? I should basically go and eat something or make a video on YouTube channel that I'm now recording. So I think you got this point.
I hope this video was useful for you, and if you want to try this thing out, you can just basically go to the description below, and I put my link to the Notion template, which is absolutely free there, so you can easily use it in your daily life. Stay productive, and I will see you next time.